Claude Code. It starts as a genius. You give it a task, it nails it perfectly. But then 5 minutes later, it's writing duplicate code, breaking things, completely forgetting what you just told it. Why does that happen? And more importantly, how do you fix it? Here are 10 tips to make Claude Code way less dumb. To understand why Claude gets dumb, you need to understand the context window. Think of it like your short-term memory. When you start a session, Claude's context is empty. As you work, every message, every file it reads, every tool call, it all fills up this window. Now here's the problem. Research shows that once you hit about 50 to 60%, accuracy starts dropping. The model literally starts forgetting things you told it minutes ago. It creates duplicate files, contradicts its own code, hallucinates APIs that don't exist. And by the time you hit 80%, Claude has auto-compacted your conversation, throwing away context it thinks is less important. But it often throws away the wrong things. This is called context rot, and it's the #1 reason your Claude Code sessions go sideways. The fix? Everything in the next 9 tips is about keeping your context clean, compact, and focused. Tip number 1, monitor your context window. There's a super simple plugin that lets you do this. In your terminal, just type npxec status line at latest. This installs a custom status bar at the bottom of Claude Code. My setup shows the model, context percentage, session cost, and a clock on line 1. Then git branch and worktree status on line 2. Now the context percentage is the most critical number here. Even simple commands like, what is 2 plus 2 will start filling it up fast. My rule of thumb? Anytime that context creeps past 50%, I start a brand new session. You might think, why not just use the compact command? Well, friends don't let friends compact. It's the worst of both worlds. You lose what you were working on, but you still keep the context poisoning from before. Instead, just start fresh. Keep it under 50% and Claude stays sharp. Tip number 2, install Superpowers. Even if you manage context perfectly, the latest models burn through it fast. The real solution is subagents. Your main Claude terminal acts like an orchestrator, dispatching subagents to write code, review code, test bugs, all in their own context window. When they're done, they report back with just a summary. Your main instance stays clean. Superpowers makes this automatic. Just type /plugin, add Superpowers, and you get 3 core commands. Superpowers Brainstorm turns your vague idea into a design spec. Superpowers Write Plan turns that spec into line-by-line implementation steps. And Superpowers Execute Plan dispatches subagents to actually build it, with code review and testing built in. It shifts you from ad hoc vibe coding to real spec-driven development. The same workflow Netflix and Spotify use today. Tip number 3, upgrade your thinking. Now that Superpowers is doing the brainstorming, the better it can think, the better your product will be. Install Sequential Thinking. It's an MCP server that gives Claude chain of thought reasoning, allowing it to think deeper and longer before answering. Just tell Claude, please install the Sequential Thinking MCP server, and it will set it up for you. Once installed, your Superpowers brainstorm sessions become dramatically more thorough. Tip number 4, stop hallucinating APIs. One thing Claude does constantly is hallucinate outdated APIs or use deprecated libraries. Its training data lags 6 to 12 months behind. Context 7 fixes this. Go to /plugin, add context 7, and now Claude has instant access to up-to-date documentation for every API and library it tries to use. No more building with an API that changed 3 months ago. Tip number 5, upgrade your terminal. Claude Code is powerful, but it's like having a junior dev who won't let you see their screen. You have to close your eyes and hope they're writing things properly. Warp fixes this. It's a free AI native terminal with a built-in file panel. So as Claude is writing code, you can see the actual files being changed right next to the terminal. Press Command D to split panes and run multiple Claude instances side by side. Press Ctrl T for tabs. It makes managing multiple Claude Code sessions effortless. Tip number 6. Code on the go. The official Claude Code mobile app kind of sucks. It can't run local files, most websites block Anthropic scraping, and it only has about 10% of the capabilities. The fix is Happy Engineering. It's a free open source tool. You install it on your computer, set it up on your phone, and now you can spin up real terminals on your machine from anywhere. They have 100% access to all your plugins, Superpowers, Context 7, everything. When you get home, just resume right where you left off. Tip number 7. Build custom skills. As you build your project, you'll find yourself doing the same things over and over. Instead of typing the same instructions every time, turn them into skills. For example, in my startup, every new creature needs an element, stats, abilities, and art links. I built a skill called Creature Forge. Now I just type /Creature Forge and Claude runs the entire process automatically. The first time it had some issues, but after a few rounds of feedback, it was perfect. Ask yourself, what am I doing often? Then build a skill for it. Tip number 8. Stay in the driver's seat. This is the tip most people skip. When Claude presents a plan or architecture, don't just click yes to everything. Actually review it. Does this data structure make sense? Does this approach fit your use case? The best Claude Code users treat it like a conversation. They push back, ask questions, and guide the direction. Claude is your co-pilot, not your autopilot. Tip number 9. Simplify your code. Install the Code Simplifier plugin. As Claude builds more features, your codebase gets messy fast. Code Simplifier automatically reviews your code for unnecessary complexity, duplicate logic, and over-engineering. It catches the bloat that Claude loves to create. Just add it from /plugin and let it keep your code lean. Tip number 10. Put it all together. Here's the full workflow. Step 1. Install CC Status Line, Superpowers, Sequential Thinking, Context 7, and Code Simplifier. Step 2. Use Superpowers Brainstorm to plan your feature. Step 3. Use Superpowers Write Plan to create your implementation steps. Step 4. Use Superpowers Execute Plan to build it with sub-agents. Step 5. Monitor your context. When it hits 50%, start a new session. This is how the pros are using Claude Code to build real production software. Now go build something amazing. If this helped, smash that subscribe button and drop a comment with what you're building. I'll see you in the next one.